Are you planning on getting the pieces now?
Yeah,
You get rent?
I am. I'm definitely. Where's he at?
Oh gosh.
Danny, what are you doing? Oh my.
Last week he said he tinted it.
He tainted it?
Like tinted. Like he made it all black. So